And we've been preparing for weeks, and now the day has come. It's May 1st, and that means facial coverings are a must in San Diego County until further notice. 10 News reporter Rena Nakano breaks down the specifics of the new rule.
If you haven't heard already, there are signs everywhere that say facial coverings are required to curb the spread of the coronavirus.
Just to have something to cover your face just makes everybody feel more comfortable, because from one day to the next, we can't tell who has it and who doesn't.
So when exactly do you need to cover your face and mouth? The county says when you're in public and may come within 6 feet from others, you need to be covered. Specifically when you're shopping or waiting in line at a store, picking up food at a restaurant, riding or waiting for public transport, taxi or rideshare, seeking health care, going into facilities that are allowed to stay open, or working an essential job that interacts with the public. When can you skip the mask? When you are at home, in a car alone or with your family, if you're under 2 years old or advised by a medical doctor, or when you're doing solo sports at a social distance, such as swimming, walking, hiking, biking, or running. 10 News saw a lot of people in compliance, but some at gas stations ignored the public health order. If you forget, though, it doesn't mean you'll automatically be ticketed. Right now, law enforcement is focusing on spreading the word.
When you're in public without a facial covering, an officer will contact you, ask you to put it on. He'll give you the education of why it's required based on the public health order.
But if noncompliance continues, people may be cited or denied access to certain places. Mask or no mask, residents are still required to stay at home as much as possible, practice social distancing, and keep good hygiene. Rena Nakano, 10 News.
The county also has rules for businesses. Face coverings are a must for all employees, contractors, and volunteers. Shops must inform customers about wearing a mask. If they do not comply, the businesses have to refuse service.